Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing the Blindfolded challenge, and I'm going to be using this to blindfold myself. And then I have colors here, and they're not like organized or anything. I'm not going to have them in a row. I'm just going to be picking them out blindfolded. It's going to be an experience. Then here are I'm going to be using these pens to outline the drawing, and I'm actually missing one, so I'll put that back. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be making Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be putting on my blindfold, which is actually a headband, so okay, it's really snug. Okay. This is, I can't see anything. So I'm just going to be picking one. I'm going to pick this one, I think. Okay. So, what does Piglet look like? Here's his chin and face side thing. Actually, I'll make it his smile. I'll actually go ahead and make his smile. And his nose, I think. Going up towards his forehead, and there's his head. Now his eyes. I don't even remember what his eyes look like for some reason. Okay, there we go. There's just, ow! The camera just poked me in the chin. Okay, oh shoot, where am I? I lost my place. Oh no! Okay, I think that's where his chin is, so I'm going to do his body and his lines. Yeah. Okay, his foot. Yep. Here's his other foot. Now his hands, his arms are really kind of easy, so okay. That, I feel good about that. Okay, let's try the other one. There we go. Okay. Does it look good? You guys, what do you think? Does it look good? Oh shoot. Okay. His ears. Kind of like pointy ears things. Oh. Oh no. Where am I? I'm just gonna start drawing it over here more. All right. There we go. There we go. That was like his smile corner. Okay. I think that's all for the drawing part. Oh, touch the camera. Okay. Oh, there it is. Now I'm going to be using a color. Now I don't actually have a pink. At least I don't remember having a pink. So I'm just gonna. This one feels pretty good. Yeah. Okay, and I put the little one. There's this one. And then just go ahead and pick another one. And we'll grab more if we need to, but I'm just gonna pick out 3 real quick. This one, can't feel anything. I'm just gonna try in. I don't have any Copic markers, so this is not as smooth. That's his belly. I'm trying to draw on his belly right now. Okay, and now his belly is kind of darker than the rest, so I don't know. Might grab a darker color, or maybe, like, not that I can tell, but I'm gonna try and grab a darker. At least this is a dark color. Okay, whatever. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. Maybe his foot. The other foot. I have a feeling this may be a black now. I'll just put this over here. Smooth and stuff. And then we'll have this one for his face, I think. Ooh. Then his ears is going to be this one. Wow. Good? Does that look good, guys? What do you think? Do you like it? With a blindfold on, I feel like someone could be like right in front of my face, and I don't like that feeling. Okay. Let's see how it looks. What the heck? It looks like a baby. Like, this is the baby. It looks terrifying. It's like a cyclops or something. In the ear. That's what it looks. It looks like a kindergartner's drawing. Wow, that was just bad. Oh my gosh. What? This arm actually doesn't look that bad. It's just in the wrong spot. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, then leave a like and subscribe and whatever else. I mean, and I will see you all in the next video.